Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel iOS. In today's video, we're going to see how you can use Google Lens on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your Google app on your iPhone. So it must be default on your iPhone. If not, you can simply just find the app on your app store. So when you have the Google app, you can simply open it. And then in here, you can see this is the Google app. And now tap on this camera-like icon that you can see on the search bar right here. So after tapping on it, here you can see your camera will be opened and you can simply just tap on this search icon that you can see right here in order to capture the photo like this. And here you can see the photo has been captured and now you will get the information about this photo right here. Scroll down. And here you can see these are the matching photos and informations that you click the photo of. And just like this, you can use your Google Lens on your iPhone. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.